Okay, the first page of this assignment is a true, false, and multiple choice section, and let's go check them out. So the first problem is true or false, two lines intersect in at most one point. Well, notice that if we had two lines that were actually identical, then those two lines would actually intersect at infinitely many points. So is it true that they have to intersect at most one point? That is a false statement, because lines can intersect in hypothetically infinitely many points if they are the same line. Second problem, true or false, a system of two distinct non-parallel lines always has a unique solution. So if you have a system in two dimensions that has two distinct non-parallel lines. So parallel lines would intersect only once, but if we were told that they had to be non-parallel, then they must intersect at a single point, and that would be a unique solution. So this was intended to be true. Number 3. Given the equations 2x plus 2y plus 3z equals 5 and x plus y minus 3z equals 7, try to find the solution x plus y. Okay, for this one, I'm going to be sneaky here, and I'm just going to add the equations as provided together. 2x plus x is 3x, 2y plus y is 3y, and notice that 3z and minus 3z cancel each other out, leaving us with 3x plus 3y equals 12. So now if we take that 3x plus 3y equals 12 and divide both sides by 3, we can then see that x plus y must be equal to 4. So I'm not able to figure out what x and y are separately, but I can still determine that x plus y must be equal to 4. Okay, number 4, find a value of k so that this system of equations has no solution. For a system of equations to have no solution, that would mean that the lines have to be parallel and therefore are not the same actual line. So I'm going to take 3 to 2, the ratio of the x's, and set that equal to the ratio of the y's, negative 5 over k. Because by setting the ratio of x's to equal to the ratio of the y's, you're going to end up getting two lines that have the same slope, because you made sure that the coefficient to the y is in the same proportion as the coefficient to the x. Cross multiply, 3k equals negative 10, divide, k equals negative 10 thirds. So the answer to this one is A. And finally, the last question asks us to determine which of the following has infinitely many solutions. So we're looking for equations that represent in actuality the exact same line. So to do that, I'll see if one is a multiple of another one. Let's see. To get from 2 to 4, I'd multiply by 2. To get from negative 3 to negative 6, I would multiply by 2. To get from 4 to negative 8, I would not multiply by 2. I would multiply by negative 2. To get 2 to 4, multiply by 2. To get from negative 3 to negative 6, multiply by 2. Multiply 2 by 4 to receive 8. This is the correct answer. So the answers to this front page were false, true, C, A, B.